Hello, and today we're going to be unboxing the Razer Ultra Pro from Amazon, £60. Sorry about that. Sorry if you can't see it all, it's just I was trying to get it out of the box. So flat and protection stuff there. It's got all of it in there now. I'm just trying to get it out. Okay, so here's the deck. I'll put it here. So it's just got some bearings all nice already, so that's good. The Razer Ultra Pro. So it's joined to the deck without any bolty foldies, that's a good other thing as well. And it comes with one piece glass. I can get it out here. So it's double clamp. I'll have a cord on there. One bolt. 2 bolts. So yeah, I think that's 26 high. I'm going to stop this video and start another one with it all set up.